Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Am I recording? Yep, okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm Clyde Demery, and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. I have 3 places today that I want to hit to see if I can do any bass fishing today. The first place is Spillway. So, with no further ado, let's see if we can get on them this morning. It's a good morning this morning. It's cool. Got a slight wind. Have a slight ripple on the water. So, let's see if we can get on any bass, guys. First one, woo! Not gonna do a measurement on him, he's small. Like I say, I'm not gonna do a measurement on him. He kind of small this morning. I'm just gonna get him back. Okay guys, let's get this little thing back in the water. This little bass, okay? Ugh. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. You know something? Dead weight, y'all. I don't know what this is. What is that? Dead weight, y'all. And I have no idea what this is. Please don't be another turtle. Guess what, y'all? Turtle had it. What is up with all these turtles? Come on. Spot number 2. All right, let's see what happens. Well, got something on, y'all. Oh, he bit that so soft and subtle, you guys. Okay, let's see if we can get you out of here. Oh yeah, got a good hook set on you. Hi guys. At the 3rd place, persistence pays off, you guys. Now, I done caught a fish at every place. This right here is the 3rd place, 3rd fish. Okay, let's get this guy back in the water. 3rd place, 3rd bass. It don't get no better. I just wish they were bigger. But hey, let's keep grinding, guys.